Satellite Town Ring Road (STRR) is a 204 kilometers long road that will connect 12 towns in Bengaluru's peripheries. The total planning area for STRR is around 1019 square kilometer, and a total of 331 villages will come under this project. 12 towns that will be connected by this project are Dobbaspete, Doddabalapura, Devnahalli, Sulibele, Hoskote, Sarjapura, Attibele, Anekal, Kattekere, Kankapura, Ramnagara and Magadi. The total cost estimated for the project is over Rs 5,500 crores, excluding land costs. The proposed road passes through Bangalore Rural, Bangalore Urban, and Ramnagara districts in Karnataka and Hosur town in Krishnagiri district of Tamil Nadu. Some of these towns are intended to be developed as satellite towns to provide alternate economic centers around Bengaluru. To manage the development of STRR, a planning authority called Satellite Town Ring Road Planning Authority was constituted in 2016. First approved in 2005, the project had stalled due to lack of funding, but is now picking up pace with shared funding between the central and the state governments. It got a new lease of life under the Union Surface Transport Ministry's Bharatmala Pariyojana program in 2018. The design speed for this proposed road shall be 100 km per hour. The work on the first phase of the 6-lane Satellite Town Ring Road has begun after multiple delays. Phase 1 of the project costs Rs 1,350 crore and is stretched across 42 kilometers between Dobbaspete and Doddabalapur. It includes the construction of a 2.5 kilometer long flyover in Doddabalapur and is slated to be completed by March 2022. Currently, all major national and state highways pass through Bengaluru city, resulting in huge traffic jams for the city. This traffic is mostly not intended to pass through the city. Karnataka government has stepped into creating a ring road that passes through all the nearby towns and proposed satellite cities. The traffic at the outer ring road will reduce considerably through the peripheral ring road and Satellite Town Ring Road. More than 4,000 passenger cars pass through the outer ring road per hour, which is more than double as compared to other junctions like Hebbal and K.R. Puram. Provision of a high-speed rail corridor of 15 meters on one side throughout is also being made. In addition to this, a utility corridor of 5 meters and a bus lay-by of 4 meters are also being considered on both sides.